Assalamualaikum. Today I'm making chicken aloo matar salan. Subscribe my channel. To medium-size onion, point to medium-size tomato, green chili, garlic. Take a pressure cooker. Add all ingredients. Add some water. Matar, aloo, chicken. All spices. After 10 minutes. All zero add chicken. Now add spices. Add matar. Now add potatoes. And cook for 10 minutes. Add glass of water. Cook for few minutes. Add kasuri methi. Salan is ready. Now serve and eat. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.